Billahi minash shaitan rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my YouTube family. Welcome to YASMEEN's family. I want to thank the Almighty Allah who has enabled me and you to reach this new blessed day. It is not our power, not our knowledge, it is Allah's mercy. Dear viewers and my returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for supporting Mama Yasmeen. I'm so thankful from the bottom of my heart. If you are new here, my name is Mama Yasmeen from Uganda, Kampala, East Africa. Kindly support me, subscribe on my channel. Don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will get the notification whenever we post or we upload. We upload video, short video, we post on community, we do live streams and premiere. Kindly support us. Today in Mama Yasmeen's kitchen, we have gizzards. Yeah, these are gizzards, lemongrass, cinnamon leaves. We are going to start. We are going to cook our gizzards. Our gizzards are ready. Yeah, now we are going to the second phase, inshallah. We are going to start mixing. All together. That is chicken masala, and we have tamari, paprika, Indian extra. We have paprika, soya sauce, tomato paste. Yeah. We are going to blend all the ingredients together. Now we have carrots, lots of carrots. Yeah. You can cut your carrot into small pieces. You can blend. You can use a grater to grate your carrot. But for me, I'm going to use this way. Yeah. Now these are our bell pepper and pot meat, spring onions, tomatoes and onions, all together. Yeah, as I said, viewers, our returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for supporting Mama Yasmeen from Uganda, Kampala, East Africa. I'm so grateful from the bottom of my heart. Yeah, this is our gizzard recipe. It's ready. As you see, you can serve it on rice, kosher, and whatever meal you want. But me, I'm going to serve it with rice, inshallah, bidhin rahman. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.